Hey folks, Matt here at the Hola Project. Today I wanted to walk through replacing your greasy, grimy key fob for your Chevy pickup truck. So we went ahead and went on Amazon and we found a little online store called Supaland. We picked up this new key fob. We're going to go ahead and swap out this greasy old unit. Numbers are all off of it, ink markings, you can't tell what the heck you're doing with it. So let's see how easy this thing is. I think I picked this up for $8. So I've wasted $8 on less. So let's go ahead and crack open this key fob here. We should be able to insert our knife right here or another prying instrument and just give it a twist. That'll pop right open like so. You can see how nasty greasy that thing is. Boy, this will be a treat. Let's try to get that out of there. Should just be able to wiggle this on out of here. Whoa! Yeah, we got her out of there all right. Looks like we busted the case a little bit. Now allow me to show you the secret of getting the battery out. So you've tried prying and prying to get this battery out and you just can't get it. Well, guess what, folks? It's a secret compartment. Hold on your where the key goes through, and then on each side give those two little black tabs a little pop, and off goes the back. And now you can go ahead and just push that battery right on out of there. This will be your opportune time to go ahead and replace this battery with a CR 2032. But enough of that old one. Let's slide that to the side and we'll grab our new one here. Doesn't that look fancy? So we'll just go ahead. This one is partially disassembled coming from the bag. So you're going to pull your little chrome pieces off of each side here. And much like the same, we'll grab our knife and we'll just try and go ahead and find an access point here. I suggest using a spot that you can see quite easily. Just put it in there, twist, comes open, and now we'll try and get our battery in here. Next, we'll take our circuit board, and we can only put this in one way. Well, actually two ways. You're going to take these pressure contact points, these little white guys here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to match them up, and we're going to put them against these buttons. If your contacts are dirty, you would want to go ahead and clean those up with isopropyl alcohol. And then you take your two holes, flip it over, go ahead and put it in there, just like that. And then we'll mate it to the side where we put our battery in. We'll squeeze it together. We'll take our two sides that are holding this key fob together. We'll push them on. Those are your locks. And there we go. You have a brand new key fob. Doesn't that look nice? Now the only thing left to do is to put our key on. And we all know how to do that. Just split the slit ring, slide her on there. But yeah, I think that looks good. Much improved. Looks nice. And thanks for watching. Hopefully that helps somebody out there. Quick little video on putting a key fob together.